These are some leaders' attributes. What are these leaders' attributes? Leaders should be careful with the employees who is argumentative and avoid responsibilities and lazy. You should careful with three employees who argumentative, and lazy and avoid responsibility. You should be very careful with the work they do. When major decision of strategic importance to be taken, it is preferable to go with a team to place away from work, preferably in the top hill or forest. What I was saying, a major decision of a strategic important to be taken. Important decision to be taken. Where should take? It is preferable to go with the team to a place away. So you could take all the team to somewhere and work. Where should work? In a top hill or a forest. That is very good thing. This is a leadership attribute. Why you are saying you do it, you will understand. When you are taking a very important decision, take your team to a top hill or a forest. That is a great leadership because they won't go anywhere. Because after the job is done, they can't go anywhere. They will do it, they will think about it, they will have a different journey.